If you want to change the email address on your Cursor AI account, the process is actually very simple, but there is one important thing to know right away. You usually need to contact Cursor support to make the change for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, what to include in your email, and what to expect after you send it. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your email application. You can use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail, Apple Mail, or whichever email service you normally use. The key thing is to make sure you are sending the request from the email address that is currently connected to your Cursor AI account. That helps support verify that you are the account owner and speeds up the process. Once your email app is open, click to create a new message. In the to field, type support@cursor.com. Make sure the address is entered correctly, because sending it to the wrong email could delay your request. This is the official support email you should use when asking for an account email change. Next, add a clear subject line. A simple subject like request to change account email address works very well. Keep it direct so the support team can immediately understand what your message is about. The clearer your subject line is, the easier it is for your request to be handled quickly. Now it's time to write the message itself. In your email, include your current Cursor AI account email address and the new email address you want to use. You should also write a polite request asking them to update the email associated with your account. The support team needs both addresses so they can identify your account and make the change correctly. Here's a simple example you can follow. You can write something like current email, old mail at example.com, new email, new mail at example.com. Then underneath that, add a short message such as, "Hello Cursor support. I would like to change the email address associated with my Cursor AI account from the current email listed above to the new email address provided. Thank you for your assistance." This kind of message is short, clear, and professional. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just make sure the important information is included and easy to read. If you want, you can also add a sentence explaining why you want the change, but in most cases that is optional. Before you send anything, take a moment to review your email carefully. Double-check the support email address, confirm that your current email is correct, and make sure your new email address is typed properly. Also look for spelling mistakes or missing details. A small typo in an email address can cause delays, so it's always worth reviewing once more before you send. When everything looks good, click send. After that, all you have to do is wait for a response from the Cursor support team. Keep an eye on your inbox and also check your spam or promotions folder just in case their reply lands there. Depending on the situation, they may respond quickly or ask for a little more information. If Cursor needs to verify that you own the account, they may send you additional steps to complete. This could include confirming your identity or responding from the original account email. Just follow their instructions carefully, and once verification is complete, they should be able to process the email change for you. And that's it. That's how to change the email on your Cursor AI account. Just send the request to support@cursor.com. Include both your current and new email addresses and wait for support to confirm the update. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.